Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, we have a beautiful word, love. And how do we say love in Hebrew? Love, exciting and new, come aboard. Oh, that's so 70s and 80s. And in Hebrew, we say love, singular, ahava, 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 ahava. And if you have loved more than one time, let's say you have a few, loves, whatever, ahavot. That's feminine plural. Ahavot, ahavot, ahava, ahavot. Until next time, I'm sending love, sending ahava. Ani sholachat ahava. I'm sending love to all of you. לכולכם. להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.